everyone, with us Japanese people. I am Moto Takahashi. Hopefully, the idea was to record with writing, but today is raining. Today, I'd like to try to speak with English because I found occasional comment of foreign visitors. Yesterday, I checked analysis of my channel. I had never seen that page. After that, I grasped my subscribers later. Suitably, a lot of subscribers is Japanese people, 96%, but 4% is not Japanese people, American, Taiwan, Korean, どこだっけ German とか。Therefore, I tried to make this movie with only English. If you are not Japanese people, would you give me your comment? I speak only Japanese at all time in my movies. I think if I am you, I can't fun to watch these movies. What content do you like? What are you interested about? Japanese road, Japanese tropic scene, or XSR 900, or my YB1, or my equipment of GoPro. If do you have any request or inquiry, please let me know. I might do or speak in when I want to do, probably. It's today that's all. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye. 暑い。